Looking at the installation company also makes a huge difference. You could have high quality products installed by a poor quality installer and the system won't work properly. So having it installed by a quality installer is definitely going to help your system. So with the design and install of a solar system, you need to look at the whole property, the electricity consumption. Every site is different. Every design is different. So you need to look at that when designing the system. If you're going through a call centre, I highly doubt that they're ever going to, all they're doing is slapping some panels on a roof on Google Maps and sending you a quote. They're not taking time to analyse your usage, how many occupants in the house, what loads you've got, to try and assess and make a judgment, which we spend the time with the customer to go through all of these. Do you have a swimming pool? Ducted air conditioning? Do you work during the day? Do you use a lot of power at night? So every person's different, every house is different. One size doesn't fit all. It needs to be specifically designed for that person and that house. If you get it wrong, you could have an underperforming system, you could have a system that's not big enough for your needs. You won't get the best outcomes available. So it pays to go with someone who's going to spend time on the design and then a quality install.